Ellsworth Athletic Training Program prepares them for that next step as they transition into a master's required program. They can take classes here for 2 years, make sure that they know that they want to do athletic training, and I make sure that they take the appropriate classes for that transfer degree. With my experience here, I developed the program 16 years ago. I've been in constant communication with four-year schools to make sure that we are on the right track, that they will not have problems when they transfer. I've got a very good relationship with McFarland Clinic, so they get to do certain things like surgery observations. They get to have one-on-one education in the classroom in physical therapy. There are a lot of benefits. I think the athletes can still be athletes. They also can figure out for sure if they really want to do athletic training. It's a good intro. We have a lot of facilities and a lot of opportunities, minus COVID world, that they can go down to physical therapy for some rotations. They can go watch and observe surgeries, and there are a lot of hands-on things that enable them to decide if that's really truly what they want to do.